Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to check and claim your 25,000 rapid reward points if you're a part of that huge debacle during the holidays. As always, I'm going to remove all of the complexity and share with you our travel tips and how to actually do it with step by step recordings of me going into the actual website and doing it. So in this video, you'll learn how to check if you got the points, how to claim them, and what I'm doing because I didn't think that I received all the points I should have. So if you look around on these big news articles and the latest news articles, you'll see everybody's pissed off and everybody's getting some point drops if you qualify. So let's go ahead and figure out how to get yours. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to redeem your points. Step one is to open up your email, whether you use Gmail, Outlook, whatever it is, and then try a search. You're going to want to make sure that you search both your inbox and your spam box. So the first key term I recommend is this first title, a message from Southwest CEO Bob Jordan. Search for that, see if you have an email from there. If that doesn't work, because they might be testing out different titles, you can search for this second term, which is how to claim your 25,000 rapid rewards. Make sure you try both key terms, and then if you get a result when you search, that means that you did qualify. If you didn't get a result for either term, you probably didn't qualify. But don't worry, at the end, I'll share with you what I'm going to do because I don't believe that I got all the points that I qualified for. Now that you found your email, scroll down and then you'll be able to see your code as well as the step-by-step on what you need to do. Go ahead and highlight your code, copy that, and then click on this link here to go to the Southwest Rapid Rewards Points website. The website should load and then you should see a field where you can paste your code into. If you have more than one code, paste them all in. I only have one code, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here and then click submit. Now it says the details of the rewards that I got. So it says the Southwest customer loyalty, Southwest gesture of goodwill, the code itself, and then the number of points. Now it's going to ask for your rewards number, first name, last name, and email. So go ahead and fill that in. If you're not a member yet, you can go ahead and click enroll now and then sign up. You need a membership for it to actually be dropped onto your account. Here I'll just show you an example of what information to enter. Then you'll click submit. After you click submit, you should get a success page that looks like this, that thanks you for participating and then gives you the details of everything that you got. You can either print it out or redeem more codes. Now, if you go to your southwest.com page and log in, then look at your points details, you'll see that it actually shows up as a line item that you get 25,000 points for each of the codes that you put in. But I also noticed that you don't see it in the points available. I think it takes some time for it to become actually available. So congratulations, you've now gotten your points. Now what happens with what I spoke about before of when I don't believe I got all of the points that I should have? I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do, which is I'll go to their contact us page. And instead of calling in, because I know a lot of people are calling in, I'm going to go ahead and just write an email to them and then let them know that, hey, with this number, flight number, I booked two flights and then I only got 25,000 for one of the flights and then request for the other one. Now, if you'd like to hear how that goes or if you want to see my email template, please comment below and I'll definitely share it with you all. If you're like me, it was definitely a frustrating experience, but it is pretty cool that we get $300 worth of points back. Hopefully this video helped you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos and travel adventures. Good luck!